month on the 22nd, what we're going to be doing is talking about how to water your garden. This is what's called an Olla. We're going to show you how to make your own so that you can put it either here or at home. And all you want is this much up. What ends up happening is that then the water does seep out down along here, and your roots will sit there and love it because it keeps the ground moist and cool so that they will continue to grow. So please come out on the 22nd, learn about this and so many other ways and fun tricks to water your garden. For more information, call 909-421-7221, and that's Rialto Community Garden.